Hey guys, Jason with Fender Garage. What we have is a 1973 to 1979 Ford F100 body style. This happens to be a 1977. The client is from Texas, and so he shipped it to us because he wanted a Coyote motor to sit inside this truck. And so what we've done is we've basically stripped everything out of here, cleaned up the firewall, repainted it, welded up the holes, and kind of cleaned up all the little suspension parts and getting it ready for the Coyote motor. Now, we have fit a motor in here, and it's out because we developed an actual kit that allows us to install the Coyote motor in here using the stock suspension and fit it right in here with the gearbox and everything and get it as low and back where it needs to be so it has a good displacement for the motor weight. So we have a kit that allows us to bolt on a mount that would actually come right here and bolt into some holes and attach that right there. And then from there, with some neoprene bushings, you'll actually have this mount up onto your motor. And that's actually what will hold it inside this chassis. It's very robust, it's very solid. We've actually done it on another vehicle, the 6772 kit you've probably seen, and it actually holds it really well. And so a good location, good placement. It also comes with your cross member that gives you the proper pinion angle on your transmission. So this is for the half-ton pickup trucks. The 3/4 ton pickup trucks, the frames are a little bit taller, and so we need a little bit taller riser on the transmission cross member to get the motor angled in the right location. So your half-tons, your 3/4 tons, this is kind of what you're going to be getting, a different cross member. But in the end, the goal is to actually get your Coyote motor in your 73 to 79 truck. Now, I don't know what's going on with these pickup trucks, but they are on fire. We have so many of these trucks that people are calling us about, and it's this body style. And this will be our third swap on a Coyote in this body style. We've got a couple other guys we're talking with as well. It's super popular, these trucks. I think it's just, they're a good solid truck. They're clean. They haven't been all hacked up like some of the other ones. And they've got a lot of good interior options that make it a good, comfortable ride. I've been very impressed with the ride quality every time we produce one of these trucks. You've probably seen that blue F250 that we did. It was a 1977 that we built for Emerson. That thing's just a dream machine to drive. Every time I get in that thing, I'm like, I gotta have one of these for myself. And so if you've got one of these trucks and you're contemplating about putting a Coyote in it, and you're putting a Coyote in it and you need help with getting it inside your truck, this kit's a perfect kit for you. So it's about $550 plus shipping. It comes powder coated, ready to go, and so it definitely makes the job a lot simpler. If it's something that you would like us to put the Coyote in it for you, ship it to us. It's what we do. We love doing the Coyote swaps. We're getting better and better at them all the time. We've done about a dozen of them, and each time we do it, we always learn something different. They're not easy, not like the LS's, but at the same time, pretty much a very similar process. So now, Jason with Fender Garage. You can email me at jason@fatfendergarage.com. Thanks.